No reputable tourist could ever contemplate circumnavigating the globe without witnessing the breathtaking northern lights. You shouldn't pass up this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to enjoy nature's magnificent light display. The northern lights are caused by the collision of highly charged solar electrons with gaseous particles in the Earth's atmosphere. The breathtaking light display takes place between 30 and 130 kilometers above sea level in the vicinity of the North Magnetic Pole. The lights, also known as aurora borealis, appear at night when the sky is completely dark. A celestial ballet of light in the colors of green, blue, and occasionally even pink and violet dances across the night sky. The best time to see the northern lights is during the winter. The light show grows more intense in a clear, dark sky. The duration of the northern lights can range from a few seconds to an entire hour. The top 7 locations to see the northern lights are listed here. Number 7. Greenland, the largest island in the world. Greenland spans an area of 836,300 square miles. The nation is positioned halfway between the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. Geographically speaking, Greenland is on the Northern Lights path. In Greenland, September to the end of March is the best period to see the northern lights. Due to the midnight sun, the breathtaking natural beauty cannot be enjoyed in the nation during the summer. Number 6. Canada. Canada is home to numerous natural wonders, such as Niagara Falls, the Bay of Fundy, and the Canadian Rockies. Canadians are privileged to see the breathtaking colors of the northern lights because the country's northern regions extend up to the Arctic Circle. In Canada, the months of October to March are the finest for viewing the northern lights. However, days with high solar activity in the southern provinces will give you the best chance if you wish to view the northern lights in Canada in August or another summer month. Number 5. Alaska. One of the best places in the world to watch the northern lights is Alaska in the United States. Despite being more difficult to observe during the midnight sun, the northern lights can be seen in all 4 seasons of the year. Between August and April, when less daylight results in darker night skies, is the greatest time to see the northern lights in Alaska. The nights in Alaska get longer and darker at this time. Throughout the night, the light show gets more intense, especially between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m. Number 4. Iceland. The magnificent Northern Lights show is one of Iceland's most alluring natural sights. The northern lights are visible throughout the year, although they are most prominent and powerful under clear, dark skies. Iceland's northern lights are best viewed from November to February. Additionally, this is when Iceland's longest northern light show occurs. In the land of fire and ice, where there are only 300,000 inhabitants dispersed across an island, it's also relatively simple to reach a gloomy location. On your journey to Iceland, there is a good chance that you may view the northern lights between swimming in hot springs and hiking glaciers. Number 3. Sweden. The vast wilderness of northern Sweden is renowned for its breathtaking northern lights display. In and near Kiruna, in the far north of Sweden, the northern lights show at the beginning of September. Pink, green, and purple streaks dance high in the sky, bringing the atmosphere to life. The northern lights are visible throughout Swedish Lapland, the vast region in Sweden's northwest that accounts for about a quarter of the nation. By the time winter has fully descended, usually around January, as late as the end of March or perhaps early April, one can get the final glimpses of beautiful wavy rainbows. Visitors thronging to see this amazing light show celebrate the long winter nights. The greatest time to observe the northern lights in Sweden on clear nights is between 6 o'clock p.m. to 2 o'clock a.m. However, the most impressive display typically occurs between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock p.m. Number 2. Finland. It is said that Finland is the land of 1,000 lakes. There are 187,888 lakes in all of the country. 70% of Finland's territory is covered with forests. In addition to these natural marvels, Finland is one of the best locations in Europe to see the breathtaking northern lights. Thousands of tourists travel to Finland every year to take in the spectacular light display of nature. Finland's northern lights are most visible from late August to early April. In southern Finland, they are only visible for 10 to 20 minutes a year, compared to northern Lapland, where they are visible almost every other clear night between September and March. If the night sky is starry and clear as you travel north, you generally have an excellent chance of witnessing the Northern Lights. Number 1. Norway. Without a question, Norway is among the world's best nations. The best site to observe the Northern Lights, a safe and happy country, attractive metropolitan environs, and a lot of other natural treasures can all be found here. Few destinations on Earth provide greater opportunities to see the Northern Lights than Norway, where you can take in the starry, boundless sky and the incredible hues that move over the Arctic sky. Norway as a whole has a spectacular view of the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights may, however, best be seen in Norway's northernmost regions. Northern Norway has early afternoon to late morning darkness and regular displays of the Northern Lights from late September to late March. With its numerous islands, deep fjords, and jagged mountains, many tourists assert that this region of Norway is one of the most breathtaking and fascinating spots to view the Northern Lights. The Northern Norway region, where hundreds of thousands of people reside, is home to everything from large cosmopolitan towns with exciting nightlife and world-class museums to little fishing villages and vast, serene areas free of light pollution. This means that you can enjoy dog sledding, hiking, skiing, or embark on a whale or animal tour in addition to looking for the Northern Lights. After that, you can unwind in first-rate accommodations and indulge in delectable regional cuisine. We sincerely hope you found this video helpful. If so, just click the like button. Let us know which of the suggested locations you plan to add to your bucket list in the comments section. Subscribe to Travelpedia and click the bell button to receive notifications of new videos if you'd like to see more stuff like this.